I'm happy to be here with John and Brent to talk about the whole new TechNet website. And there's been a great deal of change there, and one of them is the new Eval Centre. Brent, I hear you can tell me all about it.
The Eval Centre is an awesome new improvement to TechNet. You can go there and you can get all your evaluations in one place. You can get your virtual labs, you can get your downloads for betas and trials, and you can also go and test out virtual hard drives if you want to put your bits into a virtual environment. And that's a really great way to see how our virtualization technology is really driving the industry right now. So it's been a great improvement to the site. We've got a lot of positive feedback.
Yeah, I think IT pros really like that, because right now if you want to test a new product or look at a beta, you know, how to configure it, how to install it, this might not be the first thing you want to look at. You just want to know what the bits do, and you can just go to the website now, download a virtual hard drive which you hook up into your virtual machine, and you run it, you're off to go. I also love this access to betas and trials, just one central place where it's really more easy, because you know, sometimes it's Connect, sometimes it's on the product page, it's hard to find. So really good stuff, we're bringing this all together. The other thing there is Spotlight. Some people might know the It's Showtime video site where we post all these videos from events. And what's changing there, John?
Right, the latest version of It's Spotlight, or It's Showtime, is actually called TechNet Spotlight. And TechNet Spotlight actually features a lot of Silverlight, and it gives people the ability to watch all of the technical sessions from our Microsoft IT events from around the world. It was inspired by the fact that these are really valuable events, but not everybody who wants to go can actually get there. So now you can watch those videos online, you can tag them, you can comment on them, you can download the audio, the video, or you can download the PowerPoint presentation as well. So it's a really big upgrade to the It's Showtime release.
Okay, I really love that rating as well, because that's always for videos a good way to see whether it's worth your time and investment to actually look at it. People might be familiar with Channel 9, which is for developers, where we really burst into an office with a camera and interview people on what they're really doing in that office. And I always sort of felt sad. I was always on developer stuff, and as IT pros, nice, but not for me. And I hear we have something for that as well.
I think for a long time, the IT pros have had to look to Channel 9 for a little bit of video here and there, but now they have their own dedicated place, and it's called TechNet Edge. It's really fun. It's inspired by a little bit of graffiti, but also by the fact that there needs to be a leading edge conversation between Microsoft and its customers. So you have IT evangelists, you've got key members of the community in fairly informal interviews that, again, you can tag, you can blog on it, you can comment on it, and there's a great forum there where you can spin up any kind of conversation you want called The Perimeter. So it's worth checking out, and you can get to it at http://edge.technet.com.
Okay, well, that's really good, and I love that fact that we're going to build an IT pro community there. Well, let's say I want to see some of this stuff. I want to get a hold of you guys. Where you're at this week?
We are in the middle of the forum show. You come over to our booth. We have all of the examples of the downloads, TechNet Edge. We've got some examples of Spotlight, so we have it all right there in one place, and you have the Ask the Experts to answer all your questions.
Okay, so you're at the Ask the Experts area?
We're in the dead center, absolute middle of the Ask the Experts pavilion, and we've got the biggest booth on the floor. So
yeah,
that's right.
Everything is pivoting around your booth now.
That's
okay.
right.
Thank you so much for this interview.
Thanks a lot, Tony.
Thank you.